Believe me, I have a very good reason to interrupt you, because if I've done my targeting job right, then this ad is going to change everything you thought you knew about dropshipping, especially about product research. All I'm asking for is 3 minutes of your time, so stop scrolling and listen carefully to what I'm going to tell you. AI is coming to product research. Now, forget everything you thought you knew, everything you were previously taught, spending hours researching the best sellers on AliExpress, scrolling through your network feed to see the ads, and spying on your competitors' products. Forget about these outdated search methods, because guess what? They're as good as... You're missing out on 99% of the products that are full of potential, the products that have literally just blown up, the products that you need to start selling today if you want to make some serious income. However, the methods I mentioned are not bad. They have potential if they're combined in a single tool, a tool that crosses all these methods with all e-commerce data. Now, imagine a tool that at the same time watches both the top selling products and the new products that are exploding online right now, monitors both e-commerce businesses and their winning products, plus dropshipping stores that are doing the most business while showing you all their winning products too. Keeps track of all ads and promotions on all networks, such as Facebook, Pinterest, TikTok, Instagram and Snapchat, and informs you as soon as a promotion spikes in engagement. Now, imagine an AI tool that's able to process all that data across all social networks, across all markets, and across all Shopify stores. A brand new technology that sees all, knows all, and operates consistently with no downtime. The most powerful eye on the market. The eye that will essentially watch the market for you. Today, I'm officially announcing it to you. After 1 year of research and development, after 1 year of perfecting our algorithms and training our AI, what everyone thought was the impossible is now possible, because we're now able to detect the best market opportunities as soon as they arrive. Tell me something. Have you ever wanted to be among the first to know when a new product is about to explode globally? Have you ever dreamed of being the original seller, the seller of a product that generates the most money? So now imagine all these products being served to you on a silver platter, detected by an insanely effective, overtrained and overfed AI by the largest e-commerce database in the world. I get it. You think it's impossible? Well, sure. But wasn't that exactly what they thought about the moon landing in 1969? Nothing's impossible. It just takes somebody to be the first to do it. And this time, that was us. But how do we manage it? Well, we had the data, the largest database of ads and shops in the world. We had the technology, the ability to track all sales of a product from a Shopify store. We had the expertise. Minea is a tool made by dropshippers for dropshippers. Our greatest expertise is product research. We just had to combine everything to train an AI, to create an eye, the eye of dropshipping. Now, with the eye in your possession, you'll be able to get an overview of all products launched in real time that have the highest sales potential, detect new opportunities for winning products anywhere in the world and on any network almost instantly, track sales of all products and on all Shopify stores in the world. Never make mistakes again and only launch products that will generate hundreds, if not thousands of sales while bleeding the market dry. To know on which market, on which networks, and with which creatives to launch the product. Have you ever wondered what your dropshipping success is based on? It's 4 simple factors: your sales page, your determination, your product, and your creativity. Now, the product and the creative, the eye delivers them to you with one click of a button. Now, we'd like to tell you that with the business plan, your chances of success are 100%. But the variables we can't control are you, your determination, and your store. Now, this video's almost over. However, one thing you need to know is if you want to experience the sheer power of our AI, we only open a set number of places per month, 200 to be exact. If you're wondering why, Well, it's to keep a small circle around this valuable information. Because let's face it, if we make this plan accessible to everyone, the value of each product found by our AI will be decreased dramatically. And remember, you're not the only one who understands the power of the business plan. This same video is being served to thousands every minute. So if you want to be one of the 200 to experience our AI, stop what you're doing and get involved now.